Hello, third grade, and welcome to your new reading assignment. In this assignment, we will be comparing four things to figure out how they are related. If something is related, it is the same in some way, and you need to figure out how. Here is what your assignment will look like. You will notice four words at the top and then a question at the bottom. You need to look carefully at the four items listed. They are all related in one way. On the line, write how the four things are related. In this example, I see the words mouse, muskrat, mountain lion, and moose. Those are all sure a variety of animals. A mouse and a muskrat are both smaller animals, but a mountain lion and a moose are definitely not. One thing I did realize was the sound they all made when I read them. I noticed that they all began with M, and they are also all animals. On the line, I would write animals that start with M. So that is how your assignment will go. You'll just fill out all of the slides and send it to me. Good luck.